Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell, and to select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And to my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. Here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. In this video, I will be sharing with you part 2 of this full bathroom makeover, that is the shower surround and niche update. I uploaded the first part 1 of this bathroom makeover, and it was this update of this vanity. I will put the link to this video in the description box below if you're interested in seeing that. Now, if you're interested in seeing this process, then just keep watching. Now let's get started. Okay, now that I have tackled the curve of the shower, which is this area where it curves around, and I got that side finished. Now I have the challenge of trying to cut around this. Well, I ordered a gauge for when I get ready to cut the peel and stick tile for the floor to go around the toilet. My daughter said, "Mom, why don't you use that same gauge?" Which is this. So I've already measured it around the shower fixture, and I've taped this up, just holding it until what I did is I folded up the paper up to there and made an imprint, and I'm going to take it down and put the gauge right to the line and cut out the wallpaper, and hopefully it'll fit. So we'll see. Okay, we're gonna see if this is gonna work. And this is the gadget. Okay, hold on, it's supposed to be here. See, I almost missed it. Okay, so right here. And what I'm doing is I'm putting it above, I'm putting the part that I measured right above right at the line where I made a bend. And I'm gonna trace it. Cut it out and see if this works. Of course it'll be all the way down here. I'm not concerned about all of this. I want this to fit. And my scissors. Okay, hold on. Where are my scissors? Right here. We shall see. You know what I just thought about? Probably should have did a template on a piece of paper first before cutting this, even though I did the measurement. But we'll see. Alrighty. Oops, moving on. So this is the part that's supposed to go around. Let's see if that's gonna work. Hey, it worked. Let me turn the camera around so you can see. It fits perfectly. I've got to put it all down and it worked. Let me get the gadget again. So here's the gauge. And what I did is I fit it around here. So I'm gonna show you the process of how I did this. I purchased this off of Amazon. I have this size and a smaller one, and it wasn't expensive at all. But let me show you what I did to fit it around, to get the fitting for this. I bought this for when I get ready to do the floors, but again, my daughter gave me the idea, instead of trying to figure out how to fit the contact paper around there, she said, "Mom, just use the same gauge that you're going to use to fit around the toilet and the little corners and areas of the floor." So let me see if I can sit this phone up so I can show you what I did to form the shape on the gauge. Okay, the gauge comes straight like this, and it allows you to push the things down just to form to whatever you want to cut. So basically I put it up here and I just hold the middle and I just start pushing down the little orange pieces until I get the shape. And I know you can't see straight head on, but basically I push it until all of them form what I want to form. And then this black lever allows you to lock the shape. This here allows you to lock it, and you do it this way to loosen it up, and then you just start pushing the things until you get the shape that you want. This comes in very handy, and it wasn't expensive. I'll make sure to link the on Amazon where I got this from in my description box. But it is worth the money for DIYers like myself. Thank you so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.